Good morning, you guys. This is Deja the Diva, and as promised, I'm coming back at you with a video. This one is for the transformation of my items that I have transformed so far, and this is the fireplace. Now remember, this was the cherry wood, and I went to Value City Furniture looking around getting some inspiration, and I seen a white fireplace slash TV stand that I fell in love with. And since I had already bought this one from a guy who buys out estate sales, I bought this for $150. I thought, even though I'm not that handy with paint, why not try my hand at it? So that's what I did. I got regular paint and I mixed some baking soda and a couple teaspoons of water to make it chalk paint. And then I covered, after painting it, it took me 3 coats. After painting it, I put a polyurethane seal on it, and as you can see, it completely covered. I couldn't be happier. I just love it. I just love it. So now I want to take you over here in the corner. Ta-da! Love it, love it, love it. I am so excited and in love with these vases. You know, I made these vases from scratch. Each vase is 2 poster board from Dollar Tree. And I made them into the shape I wanted, duct taped them, and I made a glue mixture out of water and flour and ripped up some newspaper clippings I had gotten in the mail, just advertisements, and I glued them on there, made paper mache, and then after that dried for a couple days later, I took some gauze and made the same mixture but thinner, and it made it hard. It's really cemented it like a real vase. And then I spray painted it white, and then I let it dry another day, and then I Mod Podge and added this silver glitter. Then sprayed it with hairspray. Just white rain, just regular firm hold. Very nice. I love, 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 love how they turned out and how they just glitter. Okay, I want to show you this angel. She's actually Moroccan. I looked her up. She's a Moroccan Christian angel, and she brings such a calmness and serene feeling to this room. So when I bought her from Home Goods, she was marked down from $79 to $22. As you can see, I added some silver paint, some silver glitter paint I bought from Walmart for $19.98 was the price. And I added 2, because she was completely white when I bought her, I added 2 coats of that paint. She glitters okay, but I'm thinking about maybe adding some Mod Podge and adding some silver glitter to the Mod Podge and seeing how that goes, because I want her to really stand out. And as you can see, these two glasses I have beside her, that's what I'm going to make my accent color this fall. The royal blue and silver. And you know, I bought these 2. Yeah, I'm gonna make it like a paradise in here. I bought 2 of those plants. Lowe's, $15.88. You might be able to get them lower than that now since it's going into fall. Yeah, but the main theme or color in my room is black and white. My accent color is red. As you can see, this rug I bought from Amazon. I think it's called a Serafina rug. $338. It's an 8x11. That's going to get changed out because I'm changing out my colors. My dining room, you can see black and white and red. So you know everything about this is getting changed out. This fur, I bought at Walmart. I had them cut this fabric for me. Cost me about $20. That's my runner. That's going to remain my runner. This is actually a tissue holder. And I bought that at a thrift store for $2.99. And you can see it's like a very glittery, but it's like rose gold. I love it. You know, it reflects more silver than it does rose gold in real life. I don't know if you can pick that up or not. And I cracked it before I got home. So my mom, being the crafter that she is, she just shushed it up for me with the diamond ribbon. I added the white flowers at the top because I never intended for it to be a tissue holder. These seat covers, black and white, they're the spandex. So I got those off of Amazon for $22. These curtains, sequins curtains, I got them from Amazon. Those were a little bit pricey. They were like $60. And I got the lace. Because, like I said, my theme is pretty much French country or farmhouse glam. And as you can see, I got the sequins curtains over there too. They're real flowy. These grommets, they're room darkening, but they're silky. Got those from Groupon, actually. My china cabinet, as you can see, it used to be brown wood, really old. I gave it a black lacquer paint, and I painted the brass that was on there, and I added the diamond knobs that I bought from Amazon. I bought them in bulk, so I can't remember exactly how much they were, but yeah, I did that. And then I have my oversized teacups. I'm a tea drinker, so it has all kind of organic teas and stuff in there, and vintage teacups and teapots, and yeah, that's me. And I got this very nice vase, and my mom gave me some pearls that were stretched out, so I put those over the top of that. Yeah, but that's about it I wanted to show you today. But when you see this, this isn't going to look like it's in the fall, because I'm changing out my colors and some of my decor. But yeah, as promised, I wanted to show you the transformation of my fireplace. And then 2 of the vases, I just sprayed them with the hairspray not too long ago. So yeah, and I wanted to show my angels and what my accent color is going to actually be. So right after Halloween, I will be changing stuff out. I still got some stuff on order from Amazon. I guess they're coming from China or Morocco or wherever, but they're not here, and they won't be here till the beginning of October. So I'm just going to change everything out then. I'm not giving away this rug, so fam, don't call me and ask me for my rug, because I'm just going to store it, but I'm going to replace it. My colors are going to change. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, my style is eclectic. I am a modern farmhouse, ethnic, Asian, African, Moroccan, farmhouse glam type of girl. It's eclectic. But yeah, as promised, I just wanted to show you the updates and the transformations I've made on a few pieces. And that is it, fam. This is Deja the Diva, and I'm signing off for today. But have a happy and safe Saturday. Be blessed, act blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Don't forget to click that like button and the subscribe button. All right, that's it. Peace.